We are at Kangra Fort, which was built by the royal Rajput family of Kangra State, the Katoch Dynasty. The modern day Kangra, alternatively known as Nagarkot, is then the ancient Trigarta. Kangra was a part of the Jalandhar Kingdom in the pre-Islamic era. The modern day Kangra, alternatively known as Nagarkot, is then the ancient Trigarta of the Mahabharata times. Kangra was a part of the Jalandhar Kingdom later in the pre-Islamic era. During the Islamic conquest of the northern India, after the plains of Punjab were subjugated by Mohammedan rulers, the royals of Jalandhar migrated to Kangra and maintained their shrunken kingdom from this historic fort. The Kangra Fort overlooked the vast Kangra Valley, and the hills formed a natural fortification. The Kangra Fort, though built over 2000 years back to be unconquerable, was overpowered by Mahmud of Ghazni in 1009. It was seized again in 1337 by Muhammad bin Tughlaq. In 1622, Jahangir captured it and appointed his governor to rule the place. Once Mughal rule declined, Raja Sansar Chand, Katoch II, the second generation, succeeded in recapturing their ancestral fort, and with him began the golden phase of Kangra art. Kangra is, as of now, famous for Kangra School of Paintings. The great Ranjit Singh of Punjab captured Kangra Fort in 1809 CE. The Sikh hegemony was then dismantled by the British troops in 1846, and their garrisons occupied the fort till 1905, when the fort was destroyed by a severe earthquake which shook the entire Himachal Pradesh. After this grave disaster, the fort has remained uninhabited. All told, the Kangra Fort seems to have been much coveted by many rulers and has had a violent history, which then talks of the various attempts by invaders to win this fort. The fort is worth a visit. After all, there aren't too many that trace their origins to Mahabharata times, has a museum which seeks to provide all the information.